A common myth or a thing that we hear very frequently is that criminal defense lawyers are unethical. Not all lawyers are unethical, and what I will say is a lot of criminal practitioners actually have ethics counsel on retainer for the sole purpose to guide them of what to do in some situations that we find ourselves in with our clients. And when you look at the rules of professional responsibility, they're not intuitive. They say things like, you may do this or you should do this, but very few things are said definitively, like you shall do this or you will do this. Ethics counsel guides us on what the issue is and what the solution is, and they talk us through balancing our obligations to the client and balancing our obligations to the court. We had a case, and this is many years ago, where the client was a pharmacist. She was charged with, we'll call it, missing about 300 Oxy 30 pills from the pharmacy where she was working. Some of those pills ended up in my office because she just thought it was appropriate for her to bring the stuff in to show me what she was talking about, what the prosecutor was talking about. And then this box of stuff was in my office with a client there, and I said, we gotta call ethics counsel. So we called ethics counsel, who explained what I was required to do with the pills, and we followed the ethics counsel's advice, and it was a voluntary surrender of the stuff to the DEA, but I had to do it and not the client, because if the client did it, it would have looked very suspect. We're not unethical. We follow the rules. The issue with the rules of professional responsibility is that they're not definitive. And a lot of criminal practitioners do have ethics counsel on call and on retainer just so we get definitive guidance of what to do in a certain situation.